Hello, I am Miss Annan, and welcome back to Speedy Science. Each week in this program, we do a fast and fun science activity that you can fit into your busy schedule. For today's activity, we are going to make a popsicle stick catapult. For this activity, you will need 6 popsicle sticks, 5 rubber bands, a spoon, and a small object to throw in your catapult. I'm going to use this pom-pom, but you can use any object you have around the house. Just make sure you have a grown-up's permission. First, take 4 of your popsicle sticks and stick them together in one big stack, just like that. And rubber band the stack on both ends. Take your 2 remaining popsicle sticks and stack them together as well. This time, only rubber band them on one end. Then, open up the catapult on the other end and stick your stack inside so that it's in between the 2. Then, use a rubber band to connect and bind your popsicle stick stack to the top popsicle stick. So now they're together just like that. Then, take your spoon and use your rubber band to connect it off the back of the top stick of the catapult. And now, we have a catapult. So go ahead, place your catapult down, and then hold it down on the ends. Put your pom-pom down, press the top down, and there you go! Boom! The pom-pom flew! Isn't that cool? Now that we saw what happened, let's talk about why. When we push the catapult down, we are creating potential energy. That is a kind of safe energy that when we release the catapult, turns into kinetic energy. As the spoon moves up, it flushes the pom-pom into the air and makes it fly. How did your catapult turn out? Were you able to launch your small object? Be sure to take a picture of your catapult and email it to us at the Alsop Library's Youth Services email address. I can't wait to hear from you. Bye! Hello, I am Miss Ann, and welcome to this week's bonus activity. In today's video, we made a popsicle stick catapult. You can turn this activity into an experiment by launching different items from your popsicle stick catapult and seeing how far each one flies. In today's video, I used a pom-pom, but some other objects you could compare a pom-pom to could be a cotton ball or plastic game token. Each time you launch the catapult, make sure you launch it from the same space and use the same unit of measurement to see how far and high the item flew. What object gives you the best result? Be sure to email us and let us know. I can't wait to hear from you. Bye!